As promised, here is the tour of the room I was staying in at the Fairmont Mayakoba, which was the Deluxe Casita. And these are located either on the ground level or the second floor, which obviously mine was on the second floor. Hola, aquí estamos. I am in the Casita's King Suite. Let me show you. It's very open. It's modern and bright. I mean, this is everything you want in a room. Absolutely love the lighting. I absolutely love the decor, and it's nice and cool. And then look at the bathroom. 2 closets, and they actually already put my luggage away. They have it waiting here for me. They hung up my jacket. Very nice touch. And then over here, so they have a nice yoga mat for all my yogis, which you know we always love. Again, the safe, all of the different drawers. Tons of closet space, love that. But look at the bathroom. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. They have little bottled water and these sleeves everywhere. They have a big tub and they have a rainfall shower. One thing I loved about this room was how much natural lighting there was. I feel like sometimes at resorts, the rooms are so dark and not well lit. So I love that. Of course, just the overall look, it was very modern and clean. And the fact that you can close off the bathroom to the bedroom is a huge plus. It does have a little bit of a mini fridge. It does have a couple beers, but there's no liquor in the room in case you wanted something like that. But there's plenty to drink here. And there is, what is this? Coffees, which we're gonna make some coffee. You have a little seating area here, but let's check out the outdoor space, which is so nice, very lush. You feel like you're in the Mayan jungle. Tropical land. It's very secluded and private. Another thing that really stood out to me in this room was how quiet it was and private. And this was the jungle view, but there are a lot of different room categories at this resort and it can get confusing. And I'm sure you've already seen the full honest review that I did of this resort on my channel, but in case you haven't, I will link it in the description below. And I will also put in the description a link for my subscribers to get exclusive rates to this resort through Travelingos, my travel agency partner that helped me book this resort. They can also help you navigate all of the different room categories and pricing plans because it's not your typical all-inclusive resort. Now, one important thing I did learn through the booking process is that any room category that has the word signature in it is going to have a lagoon view. But I chose the Deluxe Casita because I wanted the jungle view. So if you do have any other questions about this room or the resort in general, just drop those in the comments section below. I do try to respond to all comments and questions. And keep following because coming soon is a video about the activities that I did at the Fairmont Mayakoba, including a look at the fitness center and the lagoon boat tour and the cenote and butterfly sanctuary. And you can also find me on Instagram and TikTok.